Alright, diretso using the glass. Is it 2 points? The Manalaya Gaming wak pagyud mabidyo eh. Kalaka. Alicante, the Manalaya player of Kauswagan. Whistle called. Jersey number 26. It's a offensive foul. Number 12. Kevido, first personal foul and first 10 foul. Kevido charged to a hacking foul and it results to a offensive. Pepe Polop J, is it 2 points? Home court good. Osorio. To Oret, fake again. To Bataan, nagawang paraan.
Balik. Tanaw.
Is it 2 points?
Sundi.
It's a service. Ball out of bounds. Shot clock 13. Ronquillo Polop J. No good. Osorio. Diretso. Drop pass to Kevido. Og nag-shot sa duha ka ulo.
Balik.
10 second shot clock. Drop pass to Pepe. The home court advantage is real. Is it 2 points? Oret from the parking lot. No good. Outlet pass to Alicante. Is it 2 points? By Alicante from Mirador man siguro to. Score 32-41. Is it 2 points? Timeout charge to Lord's Peace Wi-Fi. Score 34-41. 7-point lead. Lord's Peace Wi-Fi. Music Maestro. Okay, back to the ball game coming from the ceasefire of Team Lord's Peace Wi-Fi. Remaining time exactly 5 minutes 201 second. Yan Tino to Osorio to Oret. Drop pass to Kevido. It's a turnover. Another counter still by Osorio. Diretso. There's a whistle. Number 5. Illegal contact to the arm. 2 throws. Awarded to jersey number 11. First throw by Prado. Pasok. The Gobska player from Tago. Last throw. Miss ball rebound. It's a 2-for-2 by Panalay player. Ronquillo to Mirador to Alicante. It's an easy 2 points by Alicante. Score 36-43.
Pasa.
7-point lead. Lords, piso Wi-Fi. There's a whistle. Jersey number 12, holding foul. Side throw. Shot clock reset to 14.
Balik!
It's a block. It's a counter still. Fake. There's a whistle. Jersey number 25, illegal use of hands, 2 throws. Awarded to number 12, Quevedo. Number 25, Pipi. You've got 2 personal foul and a 3-team foul for True Puppets. First free throw, no good. Last throw or pangalawang bitaw.
Sumigaw pa.
Shot bitaw.
Sir Prado. Prado.
Substitution. Prado out and Nabaha. The Govs Cup player of Tago. It's a miscommunication and it results to a turnover. Score 44-36. 8-point lead. Lords, piece of Wi-Fi. Yantino Polap J. No good, but there's a whistle. Jersey number 01. Pushing foul. 2 throws. Team True Puppets. Warning for penalty. Unang bitaw. Shot bitaw. Pangalawang bitaw. Shot bitaw. It's a 2-for-2. Alicante. Torong Kelio from the downtown. Hindi pa rin. Put back by number 25, Pipi. Oret. Tonabaha. Toliantino. A 2-man play. From Quevedo Toliantino. Alicante drop pass to Pepe. It's a simple basketball from Alicante to Pepe. The home court advantage. But it's no good. The score 40-48. 8-point lead. Pepe from the area. It's a ball out of bounds. Remaining time 2 minutes and 47 seconds for the third period. Ay! Sorry din. Yantino! Bang! Wala violation in. Alicante. 15 seconds shot clock. Mako. Hindi pumasok. Oret. Quevedo. Leantino fake. Bumitaw. It's at back-to-back by Leantino. Exactly 2 minutes. There's a whistle. Number 1, pushing foul. Substitution. Wallow out, Merador in. First personal foul by Leantino. And second team foul for the Lords, piece of Wi-Fi. Pipe. Tomerador. It's almost a steal. 10 second shot clock. Mako out. Pipe out. Score 40-54. 4-point lead. 10 second shot clock.
Shout out kang Latino.
Ronquillo drop pass. 4 seconds shot clock. 4 seconds.
Buwas pagaling bola. Uy, yati lapos-lapos mo nila.
Ada magic. Mana kita mau nga magic. It's a steal. A counter steal. Walo dire-diretso. Nagod footback by Ronquillo. Hindi pa rin. Big rebound by Quevedo. It's a player out of bounds. Score 54-40. 14-point lead. Lords, piece of Wi-Fi. Ronquillo. Iwit pag-establish. And it results to a number 05 blocking foul. Baseline. Remaining time 1 minute and 17 seconds. Alicante check, no good, big rebound by Quevedo. It's a steal by Moreno, diretso, short pa rin. Another putback, counter steal by Quevedo. Number 5, holding foul, penalty. Ronquillo, you've got 2 personal fouls. Tarong mo ninyo pagduwa kay na ay nag-vlog si Max Maki, the vlogger. Pasok ang unang tira ni Quevedo.
Nasyat.
Substitution 56-40. 16 ang Bija. 60 seconds remaining. Sana all daw ingon ni Ivana Alawi. Ronquillo may kasama pang foul. Basket count. Jersey number 35 pushing foul. Ronquillo number 5 awarded 1 bonus throw. It's a 3-point play made by Ronquillo. 50 seconds.
Kaya walang maugani.
10 seconds shot clock. Dawati Waka move. Is it 2 points by Quevedo? Ingon ra ba ang kontra ani first game? Yati tsambahan pa sa gihapon. 15 seconds shot clock. There's a whistle. Jersey number 12. Illegal cylinder, 2 throws. Hindi pumasok ang unang tira. Quevedo, the captain ball, got 2 personal foul. Pangalawang bitaw. Shot bitaw. 17 seconds remaining. 15. 10. It's a steal. 5.
Paula.